and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing some liver cleanse snacks that are not only nutritious but also perfect for supporting your liver detox journey. These snacks are packed with ingredients that help your liver function optimally, and you can find the recipes for these snacks in the description below. But before you dive into the recipes, I want to remind you that during my liver cleanse I've been taking two key herbs, dandelion root and turmeric. That's my organic dandelion and the turmeric that I'm taking to support my liver cleanse at this time. So go back and have a look at my journey where I've been posting the foods and herbs and supplements and the essentials that you need for your liver detox journey. Now, the dandelion root is great in helping stimulate the bile production, and it helps the liver break down and flush out toxins, while turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that protect liver cells. Now, these herbs have been an essential part of my liver detox routine, and if you're interested in trying the same organic herbs I'm using, you can get them from naturalworkshops.com. The link is in the description below. As always, be sure to consult a healthcare professional before starting any detox, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Now, let's talk about these delicious liver-friendly snacks that you can enjoy. So first of all, I've got my turmeric and ginger energy balls. Now, turmeric and ginger are liver-loving spices that reduce inflammation and support digestion. These energy bites are packed with fibre and omega-3s, making them perfect for a quick snack that keeps your liver happy. I've got avocado and dandelion greens dip, and I'm going to have those with my veggie snacks. Now, this dip is loaded with avocado, rich in glutathione and healthy fats, and dandelion greens, which stimulate bile production to help detoxify the liver. So you can pair this with any veggies that you like. So over here I've got my beetroot hummus. Now, beetroot is excellent for supporting bile production, while chickpeas are high in fibre, because I've mixed it with chickpeas as well. You'll find in the recipe. And this makes the hummus a fibre-rich, liver-supporting snack. And over here, really simple, I've made some homemade almond butter, but you can purchase it. These are my almond butter with apple slices with a dusting of cinnamon. Now, apples are great source of fibre, and cinnamon is anti-inflammatory. Now, this snack is simple, delicious, and packed with liver supporting benefits. And then I've just toasted some pumpkin seeds with turmeric. Now, pumpkin seeds are rich in zinc, which supports liver health, while turmeric adds anti-inflammatory benefits. Now, these roasted seeds are delicious and crunchy. They make a perfect snack for keeping your liver happy. And just a pinch of black pepper to turmeric enhances the absorption of curcumin, which is the active compound in turmeric. Now, this is because black pepper contains piperine, which can increase curcumin's bioavailability. Put my teeth back in. And this makes it more effective in the body. Now, to go along with these snacks, I recommend a cup of hibiscus tea or juice. And this is the wonderful organic flower I've got right here that I've made this simple juice with. Just soak the leaves for 5 to 10 minutes in some water, and there you are, you've got an instant juice. Now, here's why it's really good for your liver. Hibiscus is packed with powerful antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins. These help neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the liver. Now, this protective effect can help the liver function more efficiently during detoxification. Some studies even suggest that hibiscus may help reduce liver fat accumulation, which is beneficial for individuals with fatty liver disease or those looking to just improve their overall liver health. Now, if you want to try these liver cleanse snacks, you can find the recipes below in the description, along with a link to naturalworkshops.com, where you can find well-crafted and organic herbs to support you during your cleanse. Now, during my cleanse, I've been putting the videos up for you to follow. So if there's more information that you need, go to those videos, ask any questions. But once again, I just want to mention the Health Seekers live Telegram group. It's free to join and you can ask lots of questions there, and we have fantastic discussions on well-being and natural remedies. Just click in the description below and you'll find the link to the Telegram group there. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming content on natural solutions for your well-being. So be happy, stay healthy and always be wise.